Welcome to a world where learning meets curiosity, innovation, and discovery. New Age International Publishers proudly presents Adventure with Science, a thoughtfully designed science series based on the new NCERT Curiosity approach and follows NEP guidelines. This exceptional series for classes 1 to 8 is carefully graded to suit the age, knowledge level, and learning ability of every child. With a strong focus on hands-on activities and experiments, introducing New Age ChatGPT, an advanced AI-powered learning companion aligned with the book content. Through engaging and age-appropriate conversations, students can explore concepts, clear doubts, revise lessons, and expand their understanding, making learning personalized, interactive, and deeper. To support teachers and enhance classroom delivery, the series is backed by powerful AI-enabled teaching resources. These include a lesson plan generator, worksheet generator, teacher's manual, answer key generator, PPT generator, and an interactive flipbook. All designed to save time, ensure consistency, and enrich classroom engagement. The learning experience is further strengthened through rich digital content, including animated ebooks and interactive activities. An intelligent test paper generator enables effortless creation of assessments using question banks, auto-generation, custom templates, and multiple formats. Adventure with Science is not just a textbook. It is a future-ready learning ecosystem that seamlessly blends curriculum, digital innovation, and AI, empowering teachers and inspiring young minds to explore, question, and discover the wonders of science.